maths lesson of today. Now, we are going to finish our multiplication unit. How exciting! And we are going to start a new one. But first, today we are going to do a quick recap about our 5 timetables and about what we have been learning during this unit, okay? I want you to get a pen so you can also, because I'm going to correct yesterday's work, so you can also mark it if you want to take it, okay? Right, let's going to start talking about the 5 timetables. What pattern did we notice that a 5 timetable has? All my numbers ends in, well done, 0 or 5. So all my numbers on the 5 timetables are going to finish in 0 and in 5. And we know that if we are counting in 5s, we are at the same time building the 5 timetable. Now, we are today going to count up to 100 in 5s, shall we? Get ready? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And you can carry on counting in 5 up to any number that you know, okay? Right, so I'm going to mark yesterday's work. Let me put this there and then I can see what you do. We are going to mark yesterday's work. So if you get a pen, it will be brilliant. So the first one that you were working on division, weren't you? And the first one that you had to answer, it was 15 divided by 5. And we said that if we're working on division, it's so easy. We just need to find what number times 5 is 15, how many 5s are in 15, or how many times I need to count in 5s to go to 15. Okay, and the answer is, let's see, 5, 10, 15. The answer is 3. Well done. Okay, your next one was 30 divided by 5. Again, on my 5 timetable, what number times 5 is 30? Or how many 5s are in 30? How many times do I need to count in 5 to go to 30? Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6. Well done. Okay, you also had to do 40 divided by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 8. Sorry, I got distracted with the lid of my pen. It fell. Right, and the next one, you also had 60 divided by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 12. Well done. 12 times 5 is 60. And the last one was 45 divided by 5. On my 5 timetable, what number times 5 is 45? How many 5s are in 45? How many times do I need to count in 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 9. Well done. Okay, right, so your other activity, have you done it? If not, pause it. Your other activity on Secure it was telling me why Coco was wrong. Coco, what was he doing this time? She was saying that 5 is the same as 1 divided by 5. That cannot be possible, can it? Because if I have 1 chocolate, I cannot divide it between 5 people, can I? No, because they are going to end up fighting because they haven't got enough. So there is not enough 1 for each, so I cannot divide 1 by 5 people. So what he meant really is 5 divided by 1 equals 5. So he did it in the wrong way. You also need to remember that when it's division, you need your bigger number in the front to be divided, because if it's small, we cannot divide something small in lot of bits, into lot of people. We could not do that, could we? So remember that the big number goes in front. 5 divided by 1 is 5. Okay, right. Whew, let's see today's work. I want you to look at the board. I'm going to do 2 timetables. I'm going to say 2 times 8 is 16. Well done. Oh, 2 times 8 is 16. Then because multiplication is commutative, which we said that it means that it doesn't matter the order, like in addition, that you will get the same answer. So because multiplication is commutative, 2 times 8 is 16, then I know that 8 times, let's going to do it smaller. 2 times 8 is 16, so I know that 8 times 2 is 16, isn't it? Let's see if it's true. I'm going to use my erase. I'm going to, like my chocolate coins that we were doing the other time. I'm going to use my erase and I'm going to do choose 1, 2, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's see. 1 and 2, and I have it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 times. I have 8 twos, don't I? Let's see if it's 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's right. Okay, now I'm going to see if it's true. Let me do 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then 8, I need it 2 times, so I need another one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I have one lot of 8 and another lot of 8, 2 8s. Let's see if it equals 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's right. Okay. We can also, once that I know, so easy, because once that I knew that 2 times 8 is 16, then I knew that then 8 times 2 will be 16. But then, if I know this, I can also tell you the division statements. If I have 16, and I divide this 16 by 2 people, how many do you think that they are going to get? So I'm going to have 2 people. Let's see how many they will get. Okay. 1, 2, 3,
Just dump it in front of the pallet.
4,
Yeah, just dump it straight on that pallet.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Let's see how many, if I divide my 16 chocolates into 2 people, how many did they get? How many one person will get? Let's see the first person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. He's got 8. Let's see him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know that if I got 16 and I divide it into 2 people, they will both get 8 each. Let's see if that's right. On my 2 timetable, what number times 2 is 16? 2 times 8. How many 2's are in 16? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 8. Super. So then, look at how many things do I know already if I know. That's why it's really important. If I know one multiplication statement, look how many can I get. 2 times 8 is 16. 8 times 2 is 16. Then I know that if I get 16 and I divide it by 2, it will be 8. Do you think now that if I put 16 and I divide that 16 into 8, what do you think that I will get? Shall we try and we see the answer together? So this time I am going to divide my 16 chocolate coins. I'm going to divide them by 8 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many are they going to get? Because maybe you're thinking, but Miss Lopez, I don't know my 8 timetables. I don't know how many 8s are going to be in 16. But I'm going to show you that actually you do know. Let's see. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many will each of them get? Let's see. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. So how many did each of them got? They got 2 each, didn't they? So look how, just by knowing that 2 times 8 is 16, then I know that multiplication is commutative, so I can do the opposite. 8 times 2 is 16. Then I will know that 16 divided by 2 will be 8, and 16 divided then by 8 will be 2. Okay, so that's going to be your work today. You are going to do a quick work on writing the statement. So if you write 3 times 5 is 15, then you will need to tell me, I know that 3 times 5 is 15, then 5 times 3 is 15, then 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay, that's your work today. It sounds a little bit tricky, but it's not. If you need to draw the arrays, the chocolate coins, or the people, just have a go, don't you worry. Have a go at it, any way that you want to do it. Have a go, and then if you struggle and you cannot do it, just message me and I'll help you, okay? Adios!